Mungyo Gallery Artist Soft Pastel Squares are a beautiful set of colors, 70 colors, and they're sold individually and in different sets, and we can talk about all that. But one of the first things I like to show is just trying to put it in your hand, let you get an attempt to kind of work with these things. My go-to color tends to be yellow. I have a regular pastel paper here, and I'm just going to lay down some color. Here's the yellow, and I have a gray sheet of pastel paper. Now this is the artist, the higher end quality, so they're really, really richly pigmented. They go down very smoothly, not overly dusty. And we'll look at some layering. And then I'll just do some color blends. And then I'll jump over here to some UArt sanded pastel paper. And we will go to something a little more green and take a look at, I always love on the sanded pastel paper just how vibrant the colors are, because that sanded pastel paper really grips the pigments and holds it in there, so the colors come out very, very lush looking. We put together a little color chart here just to show you based on the smallest, I shouldn't say entry level, the 12-piece assorted set. You see the colors are opaque, they're vibrant. I mean, these blues really look just really nice on the page, and this is on a white paper versus the tone paper. The sets range from 12-piece, 24-piece, 48 assorted. There's also specialty sets like earth tones, grays. There's a set of just 12 blacks. This is the wood box set, and it's like one of these like nice things, like everybody hopes to just get these as a gift one day. And you can just see all the colors laid out. They're square shaped, so they're great for fine detail work or shading, and they're very soft, and a lot of the people that left comments on our website really felt that they applied very smoothly, glided well, and I hope that I kind of demonstrated that for you a little bit today. So these are the Mungyo Artist Soft Pastel Squares. Beautiful product. Hope you give them a try.